So good evening guys, this is Divyansh Vithoria and in this video I'll recommend you certain books which will be beneficial for you in your JEE preparation, in your NEET preparation and in your BITSAT preparation. In this video I'll suggest you books for your chemistry preparation followed by another video in which I'll suggest you for physics and then for mathematics. Okay, so let's get started. The first book which I'll discuss with you is the NCERT. You all know that the NCERT is written by the government of India and these examinations are also conducted by the government of India. So first thing which makes NCERT so much important is basically it is the only government of India book which you will be using in your competitive preparation. Secondly, if you want to learn the basics of some chapter or you want to understand a concept which you haven't heard of before, or if you are board oriented, you are JEE oriented, or you are NEET oriented, NCERT is the first book you must go before going for any other book, because generally 90% of the questions which come in different competition, like I'm talking about the JEE Advanced, are directly from NCERT. So NCERT first helps you in your competition. Also, it satisfies your appetite for the basic concepts of chemistry. So NCERT must be the first book you must go, and before going to any other book, it's very important to study NCERT. Okay. So next I'll be talking about physical chemistry followed by organic chemistry and then to inorganic chemistry. So first I'll be talking about books which are beneficial for physical chemistry. The very first book I would recommend you is Narendra Avasthi, because the book by Narendra Avasthi is well designed with level 1, level 2 problems. In level 1 problems, you will be given questions regarding to your basic concepts, which will help you in your NEET, in your mains, in your BITSAT. And when you are done with those questions, and if you are advanced oriented, okay, you can always go for level 2. The Narendra Avasthi book comes for both mains and NEET. I'll be posting a link in the description. You can purchase, if you want, you can purchase the book from that. So the level 1 problems helps you get into the basics, and the level 2 helps you skyrocket to advanced level. So why this is why. Otherwise, you can also follow O.P. Tandon or P. Bahadur or Dr. R.C. Mukherjee for physical chemistry. These books are also good, but personally I feel Narendra Avasthi is a better bet because it takes you from basic to an advanced level, just like what H.C. Verma does. Okay. So next I'll be talking about organic chemistry. For organic chemistry, the NCERT is enough for your for your basics, and then your teacher's notes is enough for your theory. Still, if you don't have the resource of a good teacher, so you can always purchase a book called Solomon Fries. This book is best for organic theory. Like it covers everything which you require for your organic. You can just take the book, mark out the things which are in your JEE syllabus and study from that. They are more than sufficient, and they even contain some notes which can help you in your JEE preparation. So this was a book if you had no resource of a teacher. If you have a resource of teacher, I recommend you take your teacher's note. That are more better. Next, the problem solving book which I will recommend you for organic chemistry. If you're preparing for the mains or NEET level, take MS Chauhan or Himanshu Pandey for JEE mains / NEET. Or if you're going for advanced level, directly take the JEE Advanced book for MS Chauhan. These books are really great. They contain very good questions, but I'll suggest you don't fall into a trap of certain questions. There are a few questions which are not required in your JEE. Still, they are mentioned in the book, so make sure you cross those type of questions. Only practice those questions which are in your syllabus. And these books are good for you because they contain, like in JEE Advanced, there are many questions on long series that they will give 10 regions and then you have to solve. They will even give reaction. They will even give pick out the correct one. They will give A, B, C, D, E, F. Like A reacts with this to form B and B forms to C. These questions are basically sort of tricky because they require some analytical tricks to solve them. The MS Chauhan book is great for this. So this was only for organic, and this much is enough, more than enough for organic. Now I'll be giving tips regarding inorganic chemistry. For inorganic chemistry, first and foremost thing, NCERT is a must-do book. ठीक है. You must do NCERT before doing any other book for inorganic, because even in advance there are certain questions directly from NCERT. Okay, if you don't even here also, if you don't have the resources for theory from any good teacher, or you don't have a good material, or you can take the theory book of J.D. Lee. It's the best book for inorganic chemistry. If you do not have the resources of theory. And still I will not recommend you this if you have particular resources, because this book is generally for those which want to learn a lot about chemistry, or they want to participate in Olympiads, because this book covers in-depth knowledge of all the concepts, like the more advanced level, or the more microscopic level of things for your theory. Next book which I'll recommend you for problem practice is V.K. Jaiswal in Organic Chemistry, because this book is complete package for problem practice. This will give you an overview of all the type of questions which you will be tested in the J Advanced, J Main, NEET examination. So for problem practice, it is very important for you to do this book, V.K. Jaiswal, if you do not have any resources of inorganic questions. But I'll still say you can purchase this book. This will be a good bet for you, because it will train you in all the type of questions. So this was from my side. Now I'll try to give my best combo, which I would recommend you to follow to get a good rank in your JEE Main as well as advanced or your NEET examination. I will suggest you first purchase the NCERT, which is the most important. If you have not purchased, do it as soon as possible. After the NCERT, purchase Narendra Basti for physical chemistry, MS Chauhan for organic chemistry, and V.K. Jaiswal for inorganic chemistry. This combination is just enough for you to ace any competitive exam in India regarding PCM. So thank you. This was from my side. Please like the video.